Thank you, Umesh ji, for joining us today. You brought your vibrance, your creativity on Edooism. We are very grateful for that.
Thank you, Neeta. Thank you, guys.
Edooism is a common ground for educators, coaches, mentors, and all children. It's a very inclusive environment without any labels, and we strive to bring to you workshops every week and courses throughout the year. And I give it over to Ujjwal.
Thanks, Neeta. Thanks so much, Umesh ji, for doing this, and thank you everyone for joining us. As you will read from the screen, Umesh ji is a film producer, a director, writer, and owner of cinemas and studios in Bombay and Delhi. It's a great opportunity for every one of us to hear some pointers on script writing, on story writing, and this workshop is meant to help those who are writing fiction, stories, and books too. So
I don't know if people are familiar with something. We have something called dubbing. So when we shoot a movie, if it's on location, we should earlier completely not use the live sound. We would go into the studio and do the sound all over again, even earlier. And so there are certain movies which get made every 15, 20 years.
Will basically be what will change mainly. You think the storyline will kind of you stay to the skeleton.
I would like to call that. I would like to call that. That is then that becomes the soul.
Yes.
Beti hogi, beta hoga.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sorry, Himanshu again.
Yeah, go ahead, Himanshu.
एक पीजे मारने से अपने आप को रेजिस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो मैं कह रहा था कि अगर आज के दिन मूवी बनेगा तो शायद मदर इन लॉ उसका वाईफाई रोक देगी.
Yeah, probably crossing the river would be something, crossing the Wi-Fi line or something like that.
Absolutely.
What could that one thing be which you like, this is the one good thing, and reverse, what could be one thing which from 1990 which you would come and say, nahi yaar, aise mat karo, aajkal humse seekho 1990 mein kya kar rahe the.
Was the one thing that I really miss, and probably you guys will never see in your life, is going into a cinema hall of 500, 900, 1,000 people, city, tali, naach, gana, people throwing money, that enthusiasm, no air conditioning, people sweating away, freaking out on movies. Yeah. That audience will probably never come back. Never.
Literally throwing coins on the screen, huh? Throwing money on the screen.
Cinema, we had the jhadu walas were waiting in the line. Jaise show khatam hoye, jhadu ma paisa uthai. They would collect a lot of money.
Great. Sounds like we'll have to do this talk again. To talk about Singapore too.
All right, sir. Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, bye. Thank
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Umesh ji. Thank you, Neeta.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.